It's like 9 o'clock at night, and it's not right now. I figured out what the fuck this noise is coming from. Seriously, I don't know where the hell the noise is coming from. It's really loud. It's really irritating. It's pissing me off. So I'm trying to figure out what the hell this noise. Right. Come on, open. This is as far as I can do this window. Fuck. Okay. It's very loud. If I get the sound, it should be coming any second. Noises outside. It's should be coming soon. It's very loud. What the fuck is that noise? Seriously, I'm starting to hear strange noises again. Fuck. I don't even know what the hell this is. Now I'm starting to hear it again. That's the noise I've been talking about in the dance studio. Julia, that noise is very loud. I don't know what the hell it is. I don't know what it is either. It's weird. Fuck. I don't know. I'm guessing whatever it is that's out there, it's really pissed me off. Fuck. So I'm just trying to get the video. Oh. Trying to. If I can see what's there. But fortunately, I can't see anything out there. Obviously, it's so dark. But there's something out there. I know for sure there's something out there. Like, what the hell was that noise? I'm like, seriously, what the hell was that noise? It's like really loud and freaky. I don't even know what the hell the noise is coming from. It started all ever since I came back, around 9-10 o'clock-ish. And it started getting louder, louder, and louder, so I don't know what the fuck this is. Oh my god, holy shit. Holy shit. What the fuck is that noise? Seriously. I can't even sleep when I don't know what the hell this is. It's so loud. You hear it? It's like, what the hell was that noise? It's been going on for like 2 hours already. Holy shit. It's never gonna stop. Oh. It's really loud. I don't know what the hell this is. Oh wait, this is going YouTube.